Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make beef stir-fry tender. Thin slice the beef against the grain, a little thicker than 1/8 inch thin. Add I Heart Umami beef stir-fry marinade. Add arrowroot starch to replace cornstarch and little baking soda to tenderize the meat. Mix well and set aside in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes or up to 24 hours. The 29th of January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When stir-fried, proteins, like beef, chicken, pork and shrimp, can be tender, but not nearly as tender as those that are velveted first. Velveting involves coating and marinating desired-sized pieces of meat in a mixture of cornstarch, rice wine, egg whites, salt, sugar and sometimes soy sauce for about 30 to 45 minutes. 16 November 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cut thin slices. Thin strips of beef are best because they won't take long to cook. The thinner the beef, the more tender it will taste and the less chewy it will be. Thicker strips require longer cooking times, which usually means the outside is overcooked by the time the inside is cooked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.